Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an entry to my birthday challenge from Ambee, A-M-B-E-E, Rosenbaum. And I had Allie peek, so I wasn't sure if it was an ATC swap or a birthday entry. So Allie peeked and she told me it was birthday, so let's check it out. Oh, and I cut Amy's address off so nobody would see it, because I'm terrible at that, showing people's addresses. Okay. Ooh, look at her ATC. It says happy birthday. It's got my initials. It's got a little, look at the birthday cake. Birthday cake stamp, music notes. It's got some washi up here. She got little dashes going along the edge. So cute. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at, oh, I have, okay, what's it? We have a little elephant, the Ferris wheel, if I remember. I don't like these. Them are cool. Okay, we have a birthday cake sticker. Oh, I was going to say, uh-oh, I wonder if this came off. I'm not sure if that was on there and it came off, but it's a tag. That's cool. I like how she did this. It's a book page. She got it sewn across with some material. I think this butterfly might have been somewhere. Maybe. I'm not saying for sure, but they're kind of butterfly here and down there. Oh, look at this one. I may lose this once Allie sees this. It's so cute. Oh, it's a paint thing. That's a cool idea. And she's just got some pages, music pages. And then she's got a mushroom. Oh, that's one of those like this. That is cool. See, my granddaughter likes, Allie likes mushrooms. She did make a comment. I like something in there, Nana. And we got like a little birthday bag. And we got birthday candles. And a birthday gift. And we get the little birthday ATC card too. The birthday hat, look at music notes, another birthday cake, some washi, some music paper, cute. Streamer, there we go. Streamer. Ooh, Amy, did you do this paper? Oh, look at the pretty birthday, paper clip. Did you do the paper? I like the paper. I like when I get somebody else's mixed media, so it's impressive to me. Because I make so much my own, and I don't get too many people's mixed media paper back, so it's kind of cool. All right, let's do this correctly. All right, let me get some paper. I got some strips up here. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, I meant to see, make sure information. Yep, okay. All right. Delightful Creations by Amber on YouTube. Happy birthday to you, Tina, and your address. All right, good. Just in case I lost this little piece of paper. All right. B-E-E. So, we'll get that for that one. A-M-B-B. We'll get that one for that one. And then we get two. That's one category kind of thing. So we got M-B. And we'll count this as one. I like these. They're really cool. Okay. This week, I can't believe it's already the 3rd of March. Jesus. Let's goes way too fast. Okay, I'm going to take this piece of paper off here, put that over there now. Make sure I got everything out of the envelope. Okay. Yep, alright. I don't know about you, but I think this is cool ephemera. So I'm going to steal that. I should say steal it. I'm just keeping it. I'll recycle that part. Got tape down because I need 1, 2, 1, and 2. There we go. All right. Jesus, can't keep everything in my hands here. Alright, so you got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 entries, Amy. And I got my bear. I even fixed his tummy. Oh, look at it, came up again. Jesus, I'll have to figure something out. His tummy keeps coming up on me. And there you go. You ready? The day of the drawing. I probably, well, I can, yeah, I guess if I stand up, I can reach in. So. I tell you, I can't wait to go see this doctor, because I tell you. Ooh. 9 o'clock. All is well. So Tina's got to take her medication. If I don't have a timer on my phone, I'll forget. I'm really bad, okay? Alright. It'll remind me in about 10 minutes too. That's how my Diamond has them set up for me. So if I forget. There we go. Good luck, Amy. Alright, let's put you in my binder. There, down on the floor. He sits behind me. But I'm not using him. He's usually full of corks. Okay. Okay. I'm going to... Okay. I need a new sleeve. That's what I need. So we're going to go up here and raid. Slowly. Oh, what the heck? Did I get this upside down? Nope. Okay, first one. Where do I go with this one? Oh, there we go. Alright. I was like, why am I not getting this in here? Okay. Hell yeah. Okay. I need to cover something, so I put this in, because this is something I'm working on, and it's kind of private. So we put Amy right there. And I'm going to put your name on the back of this one as well. So I'm going to keep it in here. And there we go. Because it's party hat on there. So there we go. You're in my book. Alrighty. So I want to thank you again, Amy. Best of luck. Like I said, I'm accepting them until the 7th, and then I'm drawing the winner that evening. Or maybe, I should say evening, because my mailman comes between 1 to 3, so If he shows up and I have nothing on the 7th in the mail, then I'll probably just come in and go live and draw the winners. 2 winners, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Thank you again, Amy, for joining, and thanks for the goodies. I love them.